Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video, it's been a long time since you last had a video about these vegetables, but then we've been working on very many things, and here I am today to show you around some of the few things we have improved in this school. Most of you are watching me, you know this school already, and we have showed you some of different things we have done. And so in today's video, I'm going to show you new vegetables that we have planted, new technologies that we have put in place. So you are welcome. If you are watching me for the very first time, my name is Asperia, a very passionate farmer. Please subscribe, join the family, and let's get started. Right now, what you see on the screen is called a food tower. We've put this as a new technology. Now this is basically for people with limited land, small pieces of land, but then with a lot of interest in growing vegetables. As you can see, it carries close to between 150 to 200 seedlings, and the advantage is that you can grow a variety of vegetables. You can grow spinach, kale, every leafy vegetable on this food tower, and it can be able to be used for close to 3 seasons. So it's a game changer for you. Then another technology that we improvised, these are called tire gardens. Now we used the old tires that can no longer be used, and so for us we added value on them and planted veggies. And these also are used cement sacks, these sacks that we used to carry cement. We also added value on them, and we have grown vegetables. So you have no excuse. If you are living in town, you have a very small backyard, you can grow these vegetables vertically using these many technologies like a food tower, a box garden. You can use containers, like you can sit there in the background. You can use your tires, you can use anything, as long as it is going to be able to hold soil. You plant your veggies. The good thing is that they don't really take long to grow, and you are able to eat your vegetables. So we planted kale, sukuma, most of you know it as collards. Also we planted spinach, we planted the eggplants, we had tomatoes, we had pak choy as a new vegetable. Pak choy and kale, they are the newest vegetables that we put in this school. So that is a garden of eggplants. As you can see, they have flowered, and as you can see, there is also spinach and also pak choy. As you can see, the school looks really green, and these act as flowers as well as vegetables. So you have no excuse, no land, no worries. That's a box garden with just timber to make it, and it's really beautiful. So no land, no excuse, and no worries. You can still grow your veggies around your home. You eat the safest food, and you know that if it is not safe, it is not food. If you are watching me for the very first time, please do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment for us in the comment section, like the video, share it to your friends, and I love you.